Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here. And today I'm going to go over our suspension on our 11th gen, what we've installed brakes wise, and some of the suspension parts. So basically here we have a kit that we make with Fastbrakes in Arizona. It is a Wilwood lightweight 4-pot. What we like about this kit that we did with them is it's a 2-piece rotor, so you get a lot of that weight off the rotor and rotating mass. We do a slotted. It's also vented for street use. These are 11.6, and for those guys wanting to run 15-inch wheels, they fit fantastic. See, we also have our silvers coilovers on the car. And if you come under here, let's get a different angle on it. You can see the RV6 anti-lift. Let's get a couple different angles on it just so you can understand. So those go on the front A-arms. It's so the car during hard launches doesn't lift as much. Stock bushings have a lot of give to them, so this really firms up the suspension. It's also great for guys for cornering. You'll notice something on here. You guys are probably going to ask why there is no end link up here. We deleted the front sway bar, so getting rid of some more weight off the front of the car. And I think, I didn't weigh it, but I think it's around 20 something pounds probably for the front bar. We deleted the rear also. You can see the brake kit comes with these stainless lines. We have these on our website for sale. If they're not on there, they're going to be added pretty soon. I just wanted to test fit. We've run several custom-made kits on our RDX, our Accord, our 9th gen Civic. So, yep, just some more parts being brought to you from the community here at Axion. And they're very easy to install. They come with shims, they come with a bracket. So yeah, we've also added our ARP extended wheel studs on the car, so that way it's legal for NHRA and running slicks. But yeah, let's, I'm gonna throw a set of our B-Lax on here real quick, just to see how they clear the wheel woods.